I gotta ask you, when you think of a man, you don't think of a barbaric caveman, right? Well, nowadays, we're getting closer and closer to that fact. And the main reason why is because the immense hairy jungles on men today. This is why I believe that men's body hair should be taken care of, because it is uncomfortable, unhygienic, and people expect upkept maintenance today. In general, body hair is unattractive. When you're talking to someone, you want to seem clean and professional, not dirty looking like a Neanderthal leaving hairs every time you sit down. Cavemen only lived for 30 years because of their harsh living type and their lack of cleanliness. They also had numerous layers of hairs all over their body. Now, in today's day, we've manufactured clothes which will keep us warm and protected even better than our own hairy zones. So, what is the need for them? Studies done by the National Institute of Health show that the nature sweaters that cavemen had are no longer needed in our day-to-day lives. It also shows that it was a key evolutionary adaptation for better endurance and cooling down. Now, with all these facts, I'm sure you want to look like your peak human form, not an evolutionary runt. And if you're not completely convinced yet, this leads me to my next point, the cleanliness of body hair. Personal grooming zones, if unkept, can trap bacteria, sweat, and bad smells. And now that most high schoolers are going through puberty, and the men going through puberty are going to sweat a lot more. In general, teens need to bathe a lot more than the average person. But this can be difficult if the teen has a busy schedule with sports, schoolwork, and other family members using the bathroom. Also, during puberty, men gain a tremendous amount of body hair, including their posterior area. Now, when there's hair in this area, it can make it extremely difficult to clean with just toilet paper. And we can't just take a shower every time we need to hit the can. So, shaving it or a quick trim is the best option for maximum cleanliness. Now, body hair isn't just unhygienic, it's uncomfortable. When I think of it, I think of how it can lead to skin lesions, which is super uncomfortable. It can also trap moisture or prevent the person from cleaning themselves properly, which can lead to many health concerns like dry skin, skin irritation, and rashes. Finally, body fuzz isn't just uncomfortable physically, it's uncomfortable mentally. Studies done by numerous counselors across high schools in Canada show that young men are more likely to gain self-consciousness and low self-esteem because of the rapid hair growth on their bodies, when the solution lies in a simple shave. In conclusion, men's body hair should be taken care of because it is uncomfortable, unhygienic, and just genuinely unattractive. Now, we live in the future and the present, not in the old days with the cavemen. So we should leave our body hair with them. Thank you.